We're experiencing terrible weather at the moment. We've had a lot of storms, and they were very powerful. So, what can we learn from nature's power? That's today's big question. It's very cold outside. In fact, there might be a blizzard later on. It's really dangerous to drive in blizzards because the drivers can't see or control their cars properly. When the weather is this bad, sometimes public transport even shuts down. Last year, there was a terrible blizzard and the snow broke the power lines, so we had no electricity. There are many different types of natural disasters, and each type is powerful in its own way. Earthquakes happen when the Earth's plates move against each other, and they can destroy entire cities. Hurricanes are large storms. They're very violent. The wind can blow down everything in its path, and the heavy rain can cause floods. Tornadoes are strong spinning winds of up to 250 miles per hour. All of these natural disasters are very dangerous because they are so powerful. Therefore, it's very important that we are prepared for them. That's why we have warning weather systems. This is the Met Office in the UK. It's the National Weather Forecaster. One of its most important jobs is to predict weather disasters. It began in 1854, and it predicted storms for sailors. People drew special storm charts. They told people when storms were coming to their area. Today, the Met Office predicts all kinds of weather, and it uses very modern equipment. It takes information from satellites in space and observation centers on Earth to predict what the weather will be like. They report this information on the news so everybody knows what kind of weather to expect. To keep people safe, many countries around the world have offices like the Met. It's very important that we know about natural disasters before they happen so that we can prepare. But what can we do to prepare? Well, in an emergency, we need a lot of supplies because we may not be able to go outside. We need food, water, and medicine. We might need a special storm shelter too. Things like flashlights and sleeping bags are also very useful. But the most important thing we can have is information. During a natural disaster, we need to know what we should do and where we should go. Nature's power is very strong. We can't fight it, so we always need to be prepared. What would you do to prepare?